Promoters of Ponzi schemes in Nigeria will now face a minimum of 10 years in prison and a 20 million naira fine under the newly signed Investments and Securities Act. The law signed by President Bola Tinubu empowers the Securities and Exchange Commission to crack down on fraudulent investment schemes. Chairman of the Senate Committee on Capital Markets, Senator Osita Izonaso, described the new law as a game changer for the Nigeria's financial market. National Assembly correspondent TJ Suadeoye reports.
For years, Ponzi schemes have defrauded thousands of Nigerians, promising unrealistic returns and leaving investors in financial ruin. Now the Nigerian government is taking decisive action. Under the new Investments and Securities Act, individuals who promote such fraudulent schemes face up to 10 years in prison and a 20 million naira fine and a mandatory repayment to victims.
The days of Ponzi, insider trading, and market manipulations are over. Today, if you are caught in a Ponzi market arrangement, you have a risk of going to jail for 10 years and also pay a fine of over 20 million naira to 40 million naira. And all the money that you took from people will also be recovered from you.
Also, the new law, for the first time, cryptocurrency is recognized as a form of security in Nigeria. This means digital assets will now be regulated by SEC, ensuring transparency and investor protection in the growing crypto market.
With what we have done today, for the first time in the history of Nigeria, the digital assets as well as cryptocurrency has now been recognized as a form of security in Nigeria, meaning that people can now trade with digital assets, people can now do the cryptocurrency, and it will be properly regulated by SEC.
Beyond Ponzi schemes and cryptocurrency, the Investments and Securities Act also tightens regulations for mergers, acquisitions, and security insurance, requiring public companies to obtain SEC approval before major financial moves. Experts say these measures will strengthen Nigeria's financial market and attract more investments, supporting the government's vision of a $1 trillion economy. TJ Suadeoye, TVC News, Abuja.